Come with us to Knott's Merry Farm. On our way to see Santa first.
He's filled with sleigh to be. Things for you and for me. It's a time of year when the world falls in love. Every song we hear seems to say, Merry Christmas, pray on you, your dreams come true. And this song about every chord time wishes you yours the same thing
Well, looks like we can just go right in.
Oh wow, cool.
All right, look around me, right over here. 3, 2, 1.
Let's trade now.
Now you can sit here too. Would you like to do that?
Yeah. Thank you.
Now guys,
Oh, you can? Okay, I wasn't sure.
you both be in the picture.
Do you want to put the cup over here? The cup? Put it over here.
I'll take it. Would you take a picture of us?
All right. Everybody ready? 1, 2, and 3.
If you want, you can come on this side too. Yeah.
Sure. Can I get in with her?
Yeah, you want me to take it? There he goes. You guys guys like a couple?
Thank you very much.
Of course.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Walter Knott here, and our presentation of Snoopy's Night Before Christmas. My name is Charlie Brown, and this is my good friend, Linus Van Pelt.
Hello! We're so happy that you could join us today for this special Knott's Merry Farm holiday tradition. The Walter Knott Theater Ice Stage has been host to Snoopy and the rest of the Peanuts gang for as long as I can remember.
That's right, for over 40 years now to be exact, and that's what makes Snoopy on Ice here at Knott's Merry Farm such a long-standing family holiday tradition. Why, I'll bet some of you adults here in the audience first saw Snoopy on this very ice stage when you were my age.
How is that even possible, Charlie Brown? You don't look a day over 12. How do you do it?
Oh, I try to stay active, managing a losing baseball team, trying really hard to fly kites and kicking footballs and all. Oh, and I also get weekly advice from a great doctor that only cost me 5 cents.
Good grief.
Like I was saying, the very first ice show here at Knott, originally called Knott's Ice Spectacular, made its debut in 1977. It soon became a regular summer attraction in what was then called the Good Time Theater. Not long after that, the Knott family had a great idea for building a new area of Knott's Berry Farm tailored especially for children, but they wanted the area to be hosted by some familiar faces to kids young and old alike.
During that time, the Knott family already had a working relationship with Peanuts cartoonist and creator Charles M. Schulz, who coincidentally is no stranger to the world of ice skating, having already built and operated Snoopy's Home Ice in Santa Rosa, California.
However, the deal was sealed, and Snoopy and the rest of us have been here ever since. We can hardly wait to get the show started, and we are so excited that you are joining us today. Thanks so much for making the holidays special for us too.
So sit back and relax. Snoopy's Night Before Christmas will begin in just 15 minutes. Happy Holidays!
Night Before Christmas. My name is Charlie Brown, and this is my good friend Franklin.
Hello! We're so happy that you can join us today for this special Knott's Berry Farm holiday tradition. The Walter Knott Theater's ice stage has been host to our holiday ice spectacular starring Snoopy since 1982.
For over 40 years now, to be exact, and that's what makes Snoopy on Ice here at Knott's Berry Farm such a long-standing family holiday tradition. But did you know that Snoopy and the rest of us Peanuts have entertained audiences on the ice long before we arrived at Knott's Berry Farm?
That's right, Charlie Brown. Ice skating has been a favorite pastime of the Peanuts going as far back to the 1950s. It has been featured in several animated Peanuts TV specials and feature films, most famously Charlie Brown Christmas.
Ice skating Peanuts also appeared in She's a Good Skate, Charlie Brown, which featured Peppermint Patty, who will be joining us later in the show, as well as A Boy Named Charlie Brown. And most recently, the Peanuts movie. Snoopy began ice skating outside of TV, movies, and the comic strip when he joined Shipslads and Johnson's Ice Fallers in the early 1970s. Not long after that, in 1979, Charles M. Schulz began creating his own annual holiday ice shows at his Redwood Empire Ice Arena in Santa Rosa, California, where Snoopy shared the stage with such skating legends as Scott Hamilton, Peggy Fleming, and Karen Kresge, the director of the show you're about to see.
Since coming to Knott's Berry Farm in 1982, Snoopy and the rest of the Peanuts gang have appeared in nearly 20 different productions on the ice stage here in the Walter Knott Theater for both summer and the holiday season.
And we are so excited that you are joining us today, especially some of you who have been with us before. I'll bet some of you adults here in the audience first saw Snoopy on this very ice stage when you were my age. Thanks so much for making the holidays special for us too.
So please, sit back and relax. Snoopy's Night Before Christmas will begin in just 10 minutes.
Happy Holidays!
Hello once again, everybody. Welcome to the Walter Knott Theater and our presentation of Snoopy's Night Before Christmas.
We're so happy that you could join us today for this special Knott's Berry Farm holiday tradition. The Walter Knott Theater's ice stage has been host to our holiday ice spectacular starring Snoopy since 1982.
That's right, Linus. We can hardly wait to get the show started. But first, we need to go over a few quick things with all of you.
Please take notice of the emergency exits on your right, left, and along the upper level doors. However, please do not use the upper level doors unless it is an emergency, as the light from the top doors is very distracting.
Please, no eating or drinking inside the theater.
If you have a camera, please turn off your flash. There's enough stage lighting that your picture will still turn out great.
So let's do a quick recap. Please take note of the exits and only use the bottom doors unless there is an emergency. No eating or drinking inside the theater, and no flash photography.
Oh, and one last thing. Anytime you see something that is really super, and believe me, you will, feel free to clap and cheer. Let our skaters know that you really like what you see.
Let's try it on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3!
That was really great. Well, I think that just about covers everything. So sit back and relax. Snoopy's Night Before Christmas will begin momentarily. Season's greetings!
Fireplace and your radio on this cold and snowy winter's eve with a nice cup of hot cocoa.
But a candy cane lane full of holiday cheer. His hips gave a wiggle as he blew me a kiss. Then we both started dancing the peppermint twist.
Well, got a new dancing goes like this. The name of the dance is the peppermint twist.
That's how the drummers were playing this song.
And on earth, peace, goodwill toward men.